Hello friends and potential friends. Well, I am happy to report that salad season has begun here in Central Florida. I've reached the point now where I can pretty much come out here and pick a salad every day if I want to. And so far I've been wanting to. Start off with a little bit of the gourmet lettuce mix out of my green stock. Just get a little bit of a sampling of that. And I'm just pulling off individual leaves. I could use some scissors and stuff, but I just kind of mostly just grazing. Picking off whatever looks good to me. Today is, what is today? I think it's December 9th, if I remember right. We're approaching noon, and it's about 78 degrees out here. I think we're supposed to be up near 80 tomorrow. And then we have another front coming through. A little bit of, what have we got down here? Swiss chard. Grab a leaf or two of that. And let's throw some nasturtiums in here. Add a little bit of a peppery spice flavor to it. I don't need too many of these leaves because we got some other stuff out there that I want to add in here too. Make a nice variety salad. That'll be enough of the lettuce. Let's see what else we got over here. Oh, this looks good. A little bit of mini romaine. Add some color to the salad. And just grab a few leaves off of these. And while we're here, we'll add a little bit of cilantro into the salad too. Get a nice variety of flavors. Now, what else we got down here? Okay, here we go. These are Georgia collards. And raw, they make a good addition to the salad. Of course, you can cook them up, steam them, whatever you want to do with them. But I intend to eat fresh because I've still got plenty of mixed greens canned in the pantry. A couple of spinach leaves over here. And then my favorite, this is cabbage collards. They've got more of a sweeter taste to them than the Georgia collards do. And like I said, I've got plenty of greens in the pantry. So all of this stuff I just plan on eating fresh this year. Don't plan on doing any canning. Got some dinosaur kale over here. So we'll add a little bit of that in. And this is Florida broadleaf mustard. Don't want a lot of that because it's got quite a bit of a spicy taste to it. And then this one here is a red mustard, Red Giant. So we'll grab a couple of leaves off of that as well. And then finally right over here we've got some Napa cabbages that haven't started heading up yet. But the leaves are just as good when you chop them up into a salad. A couple of those leaves. And now let's go see what we got over in the far bed. Most of these are not really salad greens. Brussels sprouts over there, eggplant, broccoli, but we do have some curly kale here. And that really is kind of one of my favorites. So I'm going to grab a few leaves off of that, throw them into the colander. One more from over here just to spread out the harvest a little bit. Hi, Snowflake. How you doing? You want to help me pick a salad? We're looking pretty good so far. Now, what's left here? Well, unfortunately, I don't have any fresh tomatoes to put in my salad today. So I'll have to pull some tomatoes out of the freezer from last year. But it won't be long. These things got blossoms all over them. And I come out and play Bumblebee every day. Just waiting to see some tomatoes starting to form. These are the Everglades and the homesteads over here. And they're moving along the fastest of the garden. A variety of others that I think you saw me plant not that long ago. But today it's salad for lunch. So I'm going to take this inside, clean it up a little bit, and chop it up and make me a lunch. Okay, I added some tomatoes from the freezer. Mix up a little bit of oil and vinegar with my special ingredient, a squirt of honey, and pour it all over that thing. And there we have lunch. I do love salad season. Well, I'm going to enjoy this, and I'll see you on the next one.